really grind here. Thought I'd throw out a chart, and again, don't really trade stocks all that often, but like to look at the stocks that everybody else in the equity world is trading. And we're going to bring up NVDA, and this darling has doubled in less than a month and a half. So we were trading $65 back here, and I want to point this out, 65 up to 120 we hit today. So I don't follow the stock. I have no idea what's going on, but we had a $30 move here, and then we had a pullback to about 90 and another $30 move. So I look at this just from a simple chart perspective, that you've had a mirrored move now in a short period of time, and exhaustion has hit the stock. And short term, this thing's going to trade down to 105. It'll probably hit it today, if not today, tomorrow, the next day. So everybody that's trying to catch a knife right now is probably pretty dangerous. So two things that come into play for me. Again, you've had a mirrored move, 30 points here, a small pullback to 90, and another 30 points here. The break came today, and this is the first time since this break that held, and as long as that line held there at 84.85, we were going to go and double it just based on pure momentum. I don't know why this happens, but we tend to double. The second thing, when you start looking at market profile, this is the area, 105, where there's the next significant area of buyers that are interested. And I'm going to come back to, ultimately, I think we're going to trade down to 95 area. All right, so that could play out, probably not by the end of the year. However, it could. Be prepared if you're long this thing. But let's look at the real short-term charts here. Let's look at the 1 day. And you've had a couple chances, even if you haven't been short this, to get short. And it really comes down to, for me, look at the bounce right here. It came right to, again, this 114 area, high 113s. That was your go short area for the day after the pre-market break. You fell down 109. We've broken through that again, rallied to 113. That was a good sell area. This secondary area here at 111, if you sold 113, you could have taken some off $5 or so, put it back on 111.50 as it comes back into this value area, and we're going to trade. Again, remember that key area down here at 105.50. I'll be looking for that number to come over the next few days, 105.50, and if you're short 110, you still got $5, but any rallies, 112, 114, 116, right now, that's how I would layer into this, and you're wrong if it goes out on a close above 118. So that's it. Layer your areas, but this thing is going to 105 at least in the next few days. It's got some dandruff that it needs to shake off, and that's how we see the profile very clearly here on this chart. And just wanted to show that the market profile can be utilized, so definitely on longer time frames, very nicely on stocks also. So that's it. Have a great day, and we will talk to you soon.